Hi Malaysian Mobb, it's me again. I'm gonna try something new today. I already got the bald cap on and I use the bald cap method, and I'm using this cream foundation to really give scalp underneath this wig, period. So I'm applying that all over my head. And then I have this 13x4 HD lace front in chocolate brown, and it's 20 inches. It's pre-plucked with baby hairs, but I kind of plucked it a little bit more because I didn't even want baby hairs. So now I'm using my razor and I'm just cutting off any excess cap. And I'm going to try on this wig, see what it looked like, see how it's fitting on my head, see how I'm going to place it. That's why I'm moving the hair out the way, so I can really see how I'm going to place this on the hairline, like where I'm going to place it at and all of that. So we're going to peel that back. Now we're going to use my Ghost Bond and really place that on there, and then use my rat tail comb and get it evenly spread all over the hairline. Next, I'm going to get my blow dryer on cool and put that all over the glue. Make sure that the glue is dry, and the way you do that is making sure that it's clear, as you can see. Then I go in with the second layer and repeat the same steps over. Now I'm going to pull that wig and get the hairline to cover up the hairline of the cap. Now I'm gonna really press that down once I get it to where I want it to be with my finger. And to make sure that it's really pressed down, I take the comb and I comb it into the cap and the glue. Next, I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm going to just put that on the hairline to really press it in to that glue, pressing into my skin. I'm brushing my hair out because I plan on straightening it out. So we're just going to brush it out, get all those curls out, and then we're going to start straightening the hair. Not me already feeling myself, but girl, finish the look. Talking about I'm up to something. Stop. Now I'm just adjusting the camera because we're about to really get into the nitty gritty, because I finished straightening its hair. Look how bone straight and thick this hair is. I just love the density that it gives. Like, it's giving very much real hair. Like, now I done took the elastic band off, and I'm gonna cut the lace like in two different sections. So I'm using the scissors to just cut off all the extra excess and my ear tabs, and then I'm gonna do that on the other side as well. After that, I'm going to take my razor and I'm going to really get a cleaner cut with it, closer to the skin, take all that extra excess off as much as possible. And if you got a problem with a little bit of armpit hair, this is not the channel for motherfucking you.
How you treat each other, how you respect each other.
You can tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah.
From looking in, it's like they have their traditional
way. It looks very...
That's not a scalp.
I don't even claim that. Y'all.
I don't know what you mean.
That is not scalp.
In the sense
why it's not giving scalp?
The way that you guys love each other, the way that...
So I am no hairstylist. This is my first install ever, but I just put the elastic band back on and go to the next step because I just could not sit there and stress myself. So we're just gonna go to the next step and come back to it. So now I'm about to go ahead and cut my beautiful layers. So I did one side off camera, but I'm gonna just show y'all the difference. This side I cut the layers and I like curled the ends. See, and then this side is how it came. So I'm gonna go back to the voiceover, but I just want to show y'all like how I achieve one side, but like I'm gonna voice over this side so I can show y'all how I do it. But yeah, it's starting to come together, y'all. Okay, so back to me. So I'm just gonna get my piece of hair and I'm gonna really comb it out. And how I cut is like in a diagonal form, and I just cut down. As I'm cutting down, I'm gonna pull my head back. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, let's see. I could probably fix it for real. Come on. So yes, I did mess up, but we're gonna fix it. I promise it's gonna look good at the end. I promise. But I did mess up. And I'm sitting here trying to fix my mess up. But I realize now that the reason why I messed up was because I'm not no hairstylist, and I probably should have cut the layers out on a mannequin or something instead of on my head, because once I realized that like my head, like I'm right-handed, so with the scissors I'm cutting, but like I never realized that like I'm gonna need my left hand to cut, and I can't cut with my left hand. But I currently really fixed it. I honestly liked the side that I messed up better than the side that I felt like I did good. Okay. We fucked up. But this is cute though. This side is cuter than this side. I'm no hairstylist, y'all. But I can say, when it comes to a slay though, I'm gonna do a slay. So now I'm currently just getting the side that I thought was good. I'm going to get that side to match the side that I supposedly messed up. But the side that I messed up, like I said, looks way better than the side that I did from the beginning. So it all works out. Now I'm just curling the ends to really see if they match or not. Because I want that type of look, that 90s type of look, giving like Aaliyah, giving, you know, that girl. And I'm going to keep fixing my imperfections, really getting those two sides to really match. Okay, period. Okay, period. So we kind of fixed the mistake, but they're still like two different, I don't know, but it still looks really cute. I still ate, hold on, because this part not curled. And yeah, so yeah. Now let's see what this lace looking like. Child. Oh. I don't know. This side looks better than this side. But no, we're gonna have to cover that up. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna have to do. But we're very much gonna have to do something. Very much something. Cause like the lace, it's like existent but not really. I don't like how this lace is just showing. Like, that's not cute. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, y'all. Cause what? This is cute. Like, I look so cute. Like, regular day, just chilling, just vibing, just, you know, eating the girls up. Yet again, I'm eating the girls up. Because this is gonna be the new content. I feel like I really want to get into wigs. Like, I want to get into the hair. Like, hold on, let's just really, like, for real. Cute, right? And then eat the girls up on one side. Period. Layers, babes, layers. Let's just really give notice to the layers. The layers is everything. Cause period, y'all. Period. This is an Amazon wig. Can y'all believe it? Like, this hair, so soft. I had minimal shedding. It was 20 inches, but I cut it down because I wanted it in layers. So that's what it did. And I'm really truly in love. Like, I love this hair. It's soft. It flatters really well. You seen that the texture of this hair was different from the way I bought it to now. I'll leave everything that I use down in the description box, but you guys go ahead and, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, my beautiful babes. Malaysian Mobb, because I'm talking too much and I'm feeling myself, and I'm just, cause wait, and what about okay, bye. Psych, I wanted to show y'all the hair after I figured out how to fix the lace, and period, eating the girls up. I'm loving the layers. Subscribe, babies. Bye, Malaysian Mobb.